2012 Pilot. Got a vibration after driving for about 10 minutes on the highway. Sometimes it gets really bad. As you can see, I'm doing about 70 right now. It's actually smoothed out just now. But I think what it is, as you can see, I don't know if you can see that in the video. And you can hear a rumble as well, but you can see the wheels shaking and everything. I think what we have here is a caliper that's sticking, and it's causing the rotor to heat up and causing a bad vibration, and also causing that rumbling sound. So I'm gonna bring it in the shop, take a look at it, and I'll let you know what I find. But yeah, rumbling. Oh yeah, it's got a good vibration when braking. So rumbling sound, car shaking, and it kind of changes when you step on the brakes. That's why I'm leaning more towards like a caliper sticking or something. So I'll let you know. Another thing I noticed is when I stopped, I could hear the brakes kind of creaking. So I'm gonna just stop here for a second. You hear that noise? So pretty sure it's the brakes. I'm gonna get out here in a second and just walk around and check the temperature on each wheel to see if one of the wheels is extremely hot. So pull over here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, you hear that? I take my foot off the brake and the car's barely moving. And it's not moving at all now, so. Alright. Oh yeah, this thing is, you can hear it, it's ticking because it's cooling off because the caliper's stuck. I think it's both front brakes because this one's just as hot. No, this wheel's cold. Oh yeah, this one's extremely hot. So it's the left front wheel. It's got a sticking caliper. So that's what the vibration is and the rumble noise is. So I hope this helps. You got any questions or comments, leave them in the box below and I'd be happy to answer for you. Thanks. Listen to that noise. That's the caliper sticking. And the steering wheel and everything's shaking. I mean, I don't know if you can see that in the video or not. But it makes me nervous just driving it because I've heard of wheels catching on fire. But anyways, that's the caliper sticking. You can actually see the score marks in the rotor. Look at how bad that is. That's from it overheating. Ooh, you can hear it ticking as it's cooling off too.